So we're here with Jan. We're 1 month, right?
1 month and a few days.
Lip lift, deep neck, deep plane facelift.
Yep.
So here we are at 1 month. How are you feeling today? How do you look? How's all this process been to here?
It's been great. I feel great today. I mean, I'm a month out and I feel like the time has either gone by really slow or fast. I don't know, but it's been really good. One of the ladies asked me, I had a couple of hiccups because I had kind of swollen on this one side at first, but I told her I never said I wish I hadn't had this done, or I never doubted anything because I had faith in Dr. Robb. I just wasn't worried. I knew you were going to take care of it, and you did. And then everything else was like smooth sailing, and it was just, I'm not going to say smooth sailing the whole way, but I've had, some sleepless nights having to sit up and that kind of thing, but I would not trade it for anything. I'm so glad I got it done.
Good. So backing up, today you feel good, but you had a complication after your surgery. So take us through that. How many days after surgery was that?
A few days after surgery, but
3 or 4?
Yeah, like 3 or 4 days. And I know you told me not to do things, and I did do like laundry where I stepped over, and I don't know what caused it, but the fluid started building up here, and I knew something was wrong because this side was much more swollen than this one. And that's when I called you, and then we came in, and then you saw me every day. Even on Saturday, you met my husband and I, and on Sunday and Monday, so you made sure everything was... First you stitched me up here, and then you're like, no, that's not going to work. So then we did, you started aspirating the...
Put a little drain in. Yeah. So 3 or 4 days after the procedure, I get a text or a call, I forget. You had done a little laundry, and then immediately after kind of felt this left face being swollen. Send in some pictures, and that's a fluid collection. So we came in and we had you come in. We removed the fluid. We did try, I think, for 24 hours, kind of that hemostatic net stitching, but you reaccumulated. And so we removed that, put a little drain in. Never went back to the operating room.
No.
All this was just done with you awake. And that tissue is somewhat numb at that point anyway, right?
Yeah, it didn't hurt at all.
And then, saw you every day, aspirated some fluid.
I wore the compression thing.
Yep. And here we are. And so how long... We're 4 weeks and some change after surgery. How long have you been clear of that?
I've been clear of this?
Yeah.
2.5 weeks at least.
Yep.
At least, or 3 weeks.
So
you took care of it right away,
Popped up on day 4. Maybe took us about 6 days or so to get it gone and done. And so there we are. Okay. Yeah. I think that's great to just show. You felt good enough to do laundry 4 days after neck and facelift with lip lift. And also on that left side, make a kissy face. Jan's left upper lip right there is just the slightest bit weak. And so a little bit of swelling from the lip lift, but maybe just this touch weakness. And so that will all fully come back with, I have no concerns about that at all. But these are the things that we like to be transparent. We like to show all these things. And the biggest thing is, if we operate on enough people, things like a fluid collection, things like this are going to happen. And so as a patient, you want to know, is my doctor going to be there if I need it? And were we there for you?
Are you kidding me? I like I said, I wasn't worried at all. I completely trusted you. I didn't have one doubt that, I didn't worry at all. I knew you were going to take care of it, and you did.
You did. So, and you look amazing.
Thank you.
So thanks for being transparent, for showing your story. You do look outstanding.
Thank you.